Alright guys, I know I'm way behind on my videos, but this one's pretty much just got my travels in England. It's going to be a bit of a boring one really. I'll try and make it a bit funny. As you can see, I'm here in Austria at the minute.
Austria? Well then, good day mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
I brought some scrap and something missing. I've sort of been adopted here as well, so you can see I've got the mountains in the background. Yeah, this is pretty much including just what I've got to Calais, and you can see the coin toss as well. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Give us a like and a share as well if you can. It all helps. And hopefully I'll have my new engine tomorrow, coming from Robert Kearns in Ireland, LRC Motorcycles. So cheers pal, and yeah, enjoy. The look of pure support on Connor's face. This is how we roll. Right. Do you know who you're talking to? Hi-ho Silver! Hooray! Oh fuck! Yeah, I bet it worth! In a bit! Yeah, so my dad was taking the piss. He said I wouldn't get 5 miles down the road before I had to come back. He was actually very wrong. I got about 500 yards. As you can hear, it's running like a bag of shit. So, world's shortest trip. We'll try again. I think it's that air filter. Cheers. Fuck off. Fuck off! Go on, back to your mum. Mum's calling. Back to your mum. Who's in trouble? Who's in trouble? Quick, run, mum's coming. I'm Seamus, I like bikes. Like new. Time to try again, eh? fish. I really do wish I could say it wasn't all that bad, but fuck, this is hard to ride. It's only newness.
That's my first go on the M6. Absolute carnage. It's pretty much all motorway from here on out, so I'll try and minimise the amount of video time.
There we go, we'll get you on camera, eh? Give us a smile, yeah?
Good luck, mate. Enjoy.
I will do indeed.
Oh, you look after yourself,
Take it
mate.
easy. Come past me nice and easy, eh? So come past me nice and slow.
On your route, mate.
You know when I shit myself, I start doing that. Take it easy, mate. See you in a bit. Mama, don't jiggle, jiggle. It falls. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle. For show. Right, pal. Cheers. My money don't jiggle, jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle for show. Well, I've not had anyone want to race me yet, so what's going on?
He's back! He's back!
Where's my new mate from services? Send on drive! Top man! He's not forgiving me a slipstream. Singing and moving to the groove and oh, my fucking feet are numb. Oh, fuck, my left foot's numb. I can't feel what I'm doing. We're dancing and singing and moving to the groove and you have to give us a wave there. Now you're on camera. Nice. Take it easy. Ooh. Takes a bit of getting used to. See you later. There's no tool in here that I can't fix out with this. You know, I've got everything I need, haven't I?
God damn, that's a big fat ass!
So this is where the oil leak started and the beginning of all my troubles and wars ever since. So you gotta love it, haven't you? Fucking thing. Reliability.
So it begins.
Can I get a horn here? Let's go. There's a bit of newness. Oh, have I gone that wrong one?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Doing my best.
Go down behind that kite.
Oh, spot on. Cheers, pal. Yeah. Ooh. Christ, I'm glad to be off that seat.
Carrying anything like that at all?
No! No, Your Honor.
I've got a compound bow in the back,
Yeah.
a hunting bow.
Hunting bar.
Yeah, but as
Packed away though.
in a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just it's in there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Legal. Fasten. Illegal. Fasten your seat. Legal. Sir?
No large amounts of cash or anything?
No.
That fuel in there?
Yeah.
How much do them two hold?
3 litres apiece, we'll just shy.
That's fine. Okay. Yep, go on your way.
All good?
Out there, round to the left, straight on to check-in.
Spot on, thank you. See you later. Alright. Preston. That's how you do it. There is. Right, we're in Calais now. So I'm going to go 1, heading towards Portugal, 2, South Southampton roll again, 3, Italy, 4, down here, Greece and Bulgaria and all that, 5, Poland, and then Belarus, whatever it's called, and these ones here, I think 5 on it, and then 6, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark. So again, 1, 2, then roll again, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, Rome. Going to Italy. Sounds good. So that means I'm probably going to hit Brussels, through Germany, yes, Switzerland, Italy, and then we'll have to go somewhere else after that. So Right guys, thanks for watching. Again, if you can do us a favour and like it, share it, or on YouTube you subscribe to it, or whatever the witchcraft is. I hope you enjoyed the video. The next ones will be a bit more interesting, they'll be a bit quicker as well. I'll keep on top of it a bit more. But yeah, at least we're out of England now. Ciao.